Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. No time to get to the hairdresser to get your roots colored? No problem at all with L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Cover-Up. You can quickly and easily cover your grays on your own. It's a temporary cover-up that dries quickly in 1 minute. It applies so easily, just like using hairspray. And the thin nozzle gives precise coverage. The color is nice and rich and blends easily to camouflage the gray. I even use it where I have a part in my hair that may show my scalp. It covers that area nicely and makes my hair look fuller. It lasts until your next shampoo with no ammonia or peroxide. So no need to panic if you have some grays showing through with the L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Cover-Up. It's my beauty emergency quick fix for grays. And that's my point of view.